Hello friends, this is Sawan Kumar and welcome back to the Real Estate Websites and Marketing Show with me. Today we are going to talk about the problems that I hear a lot from my real estate agent friends and clients about the problems that they face in their day-to-day activity and what exactly is stopping them from being successful, from getting all that they want, from getting more sales to more clients to more buyers and doing more and being more effective, being more impactful, actually about doing everything and what are the exact problems that they face. So we'll be talking about 6 of those problems in the series of or in the next couple of videos. Today let's get started with one very basic and elementary problem is that most of the real estate agents, most of us, even me, I used to struggle a lot with this try attitude. Whenever a team member comes to me and says, okay sir, I'm gonna try completing it today and I'm gonna try doing it today, that means it is not gonna be done today. So you need to get out of that trying attitude. You need to stop swinging between try and not try and not try. What actually is the thing is that you either do something or you do not do something. There is nothing like trying to do something that does not work in real life, and which is why I say that you need to be committed and not just be interested in doing things. Whatever it is, be it calling your clients, doing an open house, mailing them, following up with them, whatever activity you want to do, you have to stop being interested in buying that car, buying that home, buying that real estate property, building that business for yourself. Whatever it is, whatever your goals are, whatever your vision is, whatever your mission is, you have to stop being interested in it and you have to start being committed to it. So when you're interested, you only do things when you're committed. You only do when it is as per your convenience. So you are interested in getting a good body. You will only go to the gyms when it is convenient for you. But when you are committed to having a good body, you will also go on days when it's not convenient for you to go to the gym. That is the difference between being interested and being committed. And you need to make that shift from being interested to being committed. If you want to change your trying attitude to doing attitude, getting it done attitude, having it done attitude, you need to do this. You need to make sure that this change is brought in. Now, what else can you do to get out of that trying attitude and getting it done attitude? You need to identify what works and what does not. By now, if you are 6 months into real estate, a year into real estate, or a couple of years into real estate, you might already be knowing that what works for you and what does not work for you. And if you do not know it yet, that means you haven't tried enough things to understand and to know what works and what does not work for you. So you need to do everything right now. But if you already have the hint, or if you, from the mentors and from the seniors and from the other successful agents, if you have a hint of what works and what does not work, double down on what works. I do not say to leave what does not work. Yes, you need to try doing everything because there might be something that does not work for them or did not work for them but works for you. So double down on what works for you. Reduce the effort and time that you are spending on things that are not working for you, but you do not need to stop doing that 100%. Yeah. Next is write a 90-day plan. A plan that is consistent, a plan that is replicable, a plan that is repetitive. So whatever you want to do on day 1, you know what you want to do on day 1. To day 90, you have a written plan of the activities that you want to do, right from getting up from the bed to going back to the bed. You know exactly what you want to do, and you make sure that you are doing it consistently for the next 90 days without a miss. This will change a lot of things for you. And the next most important thing is create some form of accountability. So if you are not able to or not doing something that you should have done, how do you make yourself accountable for that? It could be your accountability partner, it could be your spouse, it could be your coach, it could be your mentor, it could be your colleague. Look for one accountability partner who makes sure that you stay on the track, because you might deviate, you might divert from the track and not even realize that you are doing that. So you need to make sure that you have a plan for the next 90 days written down, and you need to have an accountability partner to make sure, who makes sure that you are going on that path, you are following that plan, you are not diverting, you're not deviating from what you thought of or what you started or what you planned to start with. So this was the first biggest problem that most of the real estate agents face, is the try attitude, and how to get out of this try attitude. Stop swinging in from being interested, start getting committed, and you will start seeing difference the day you start implementing this change in your business, in your personal life, in your professional life. Whatever parts of your life you want to bring a change in, implement this and you will see to it. So you become committed to have the best relationship with your wife. You become committed to have the best relationship with your kids. You become committed to have the best body. You become committed to give the best possible service to your clients. You become committed to have the maximum number of leads. So the moment you become committed to something, you will see a change coming into your life. Yeah, it might be that you might not see visible changes on day 1, day 2, day 3. Like when you start working out, what happens? You are committed to working out. You are committed to working out. You are going to the gym every day for an hour, but you do not see visible changes maybe in the first week, second week, third week, fourth week. But you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent. As I said to you, for that 90-day plan, you need to be consistently repeating the same things again and again and again and again to be able to start seeing some visible changes in your life and how you work, how you do things. This will give you a lot of confidence. This will increase your self-confidence. This will increase your self-belief. This will change your mindset about you being not capable of doing something, or you not having the ability to do something. Your mindset would change. You would get up every morning with a mindset full of gratitude and full of confidence and full of knowing that you have the ability to achieve all that you want to achieve, not with a sad face of being a failure, rather a happy face of being successful every single morning when you get up. So change your mindset, change your thought process, change how you have been living your life from being interested to being committed. Stop doing things only when they are convenient to you. Start doing things because they have to be done, because you are committed, because they are on your plan, or they are on your 90-day plan, they are on your paper, and you are going to do it. This will change everything for you. Trust me, try this. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. The next video we are going to talk about the other big problem, that is about lead conversions. Yes, we are going to talk about conversions of the leads. What exactly is the problem? Why are you not able to follow up consistently once again with the leads? We are going to take that up in the next video. See you. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.